Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, unhandled exception has occurred on your application error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to Windows Update and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a malware scan. Okay, so search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then open MRT, the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and hit enter. The next solution is to update the drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update page on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, optional updates. Go to the Windows update page and click on check for updates. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.